Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to achieve this look using the Armed and Gorgeous palette from Morphe and Jaclyn Hill Vault collection. So if you like it, then please keep watching. So first I'm gonna go with the shade Proud, the darkest one in the palette, and I'm gonna place it in my crease and wing it out on the outer corner. I'm using Morphe E18, which is a round crease brush. Using the same exact brush, I'm gonna place the same shade on my lower lash line. I know it looks a little bit crazy right now, but it's all gonna come together once we blend it out. Next, I'm going with the shade Top Secret, and I'm using Morphe 506 blending brush to blend out the edges of the brown shade. I mentioned the Vault collection on my channel before. These are not my favorite palettes, and it's gonna be a lot of going back and forth, packing and blending, but if you have any of the palettes, you can still work with them. It's just gonna take you a little bit more time. Now, as you can see, most of the brown pigment is gone, so I'm going back with Morphe E18 to make it more intense. Now using Morphe 506, I'm blending it out just one more time. For this look, I decided to stick with the green shade, so instead of adding transition, I'm just going to smoke out that green eyeshadow using the same brush when there is barely any product left, and this way we're gonna have a nice transition and no harsh lines. When you have a hard time blending, you can even use a little bit of translucent powder to diffuse the edges. Next, I'm gonna go with the shade Coin, probably my favorite shade from the whole collection, and I'm gonna apply it on my lid using a wet synthetic brush. This is a great look for those of you who struggle with cut crease because you don't have to be as precise. Basically, just apply the eyeshadow all over the lid, and then using the same Morphe 506 blending brush, we're gonna blend out the edges. I'm applying a little bit more brown to define the outer corner of my eye. For my waterline, I'm gonna go with a Lancom pencil in Black Coffee. Using the Dagger tattoo liner from Kat Von D, I'm just gonna do a thin line to help me hide the lash band. To highlight, I'm gonna use my favorite highlighter by Becca in Vanilla Quartz. And finally, I'm gonna apply some mascara and lashes. For today's look, I'm using Huda Beauty in style Jade. And now this look is complete. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I hope I'll see you in my next one. Bye!